Today we got a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is When a School Zone Interaction Takes an Unexpected Turn.
On May 8th, a school crossing guard reported that she had been struck by a car. She said a white sedan had stopped while she was in the crosswalk, but then the driver yelled at her to get out of the way. After a brief confrontation, the driver pulled forward and struck the crossing guard in the legs with the front bumper. She then drove around her and left. The crossing guard got the car's license plate, so the police looked up the owner's address and went over to investigate.
Wow. 1915 late. Be out at the Beargrass address. Contact with subject. Hello, Zayna. What'd you say?
Oh,
Zayna.
3774 Lake, I'm 1012 1915. We're back at the Beargrass, 42, making contact.
No, I'm here with you. What happened?
So basically, I'm trying to make sure I'm not sending my ant car because there's a lot of ants over here. So basically, the lady who stopped me for months, I don't know if it's because she has a problem with me or what it is, but every time it's nobody out there like crossing, because the only time she probably see me is on Thursdays, because that's when I'm off. I take my daughter to school a little later at like 9, but I had to leave early because her school's in the pop-up. Only time she see me is on Thursdays. If it's nobody outside, like it looks empty like that, she will purposely stop me for no reason. And I sit there for a good 5-10 minutes, just sitting in my car because there's nobody there. And then she'll let me go. So today...
You have dash cam or anything?
No.
Oh, okay.
I wish I did. Because I was going to record it, but I was just, I'm not going to do all that because that's a little extra. I'm driving, my baby's in the car, I have the camera, I'm not doing that.
How old's your child?
She's only 2.
2, okay.
Who is that? She's only, I don't even know who that is. She's only 2, so I'm not finna speed in the car with my baby. Like, that's one thing I never do.
Well, I'm not here for speeding.
Yeah, I don't speed or anything. But no, it's because she stopped me and she was like, you need to stop, you're speeding. I'm just like, I'm not speeding. I'm going 20 miles per hour. That's the speed limit. And she literally like, can I demonstrate?
Sure.
I was standing over there and I was going to come across the street and the car was coming, so I blew my whistle, put my sign out, and she just come flying up to the stop, and she went through the, like over the, not the crosswalk sign, but the white, and I went, stop. I says, 20 miles an hour through here. And she goes, get out of my way. And I started walking, she started to go. Well, I didn't even have time to get out of the way, and she just kept coming at me, so I put my hands on the car like this, and she just kept pushing, going forward and pushing me. And I was just like, stop. And she just like turned her car and went the other way, went around me. And when she went down, then I was able to see what her license plate number was. Woo!
But so my car's right here, and it's just like the line here. First, she was right here. She told me to stop. Then she walked up to my car and it was like this. You need to stop, and I'm just like, where are you in my car? So I backed it up and I put it in park, and she's walking closer to my car. Every time I try, back up to avoid her, she's coming closer, so I just put my car in park. So she's on this side of my car. My car already been damaged from October, so somebody did.
Right, I can see that's older damage.
Yes, someone did a hit and run on my car. So she was standing like this, trying to point at me. And I'm just like, can you please move? Like, I'm just trying to take my baby to school. Can you please move? She did not move. But mind you, the road over there, like, you can see how big it is. She's literally standing right here on the side of my car. She's literally a step away from the sidewalk. She's standing on my car and hit my car. So what I do, I back in reverse and I speed past her because now you're hitting my car. I'm not doing anything to you. I'm in the car, didn't even get out.
She's hitting it with what?
Her stop sign.
Where?
She hit it like this. She hit it, I don't know if it's any marks, but she hit my car right here, like right here. She hit it with the stop sign.
Okay.
It was like, you need to stop, like hitting my car. So I sped around her because for one, there's no reason for you to stop. I'm speeding. There's nobody crossing the road. The school, and I don't know if they have certain hours or not, but you can clearly tell that everybody's in school and nobody's out. It's no kids, no adults, no nothing.
Were the yellow lights still flashing on the lights?
No.
No?
No.
They weren't?
No. When I was there, no, they weren't. But I was still, trying to be...
Well, I'm gonna let you know, when I went back through there to talk to her, all the yellow lights were working, and when I was here early, or when I was in the area at 7:45,
Yes,
all the lights were on. So they stay on constantly. They don't shut off, turn back on. So before the incident occurred, the lights were working. After the incident occurred, they were still flashing.
Yeah, I was still
So that tells me that they were still flashing when you went through the incident occurred.
Okay.
So for you to tell me that they weren't flashing is false.
Yeah, but I'm saying I was still doing the speed limit.
Okay.
I wasn't speeding or anything.
I'm not here for speeding.
Yeah, I know that. But she got on my car. I was in.
You're cooked. I mean, you hit her with the car. Like just speed through it. You're trying to say, you know, this happened, that happened, now whatever. Now I would say the crossing guard, I don't know why she would be that close to someone's car, you know, but whatever. I mean, it is what it is. This lady is in the wrong. Okay, you hit her. Period.
I don't know, like, I was before the line of the stop sign.
Okay.
So I was just sitting there. She walked up to my car.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do. What is it?
Just so I can verify exactly who you are. Are there any weapons in the vehicle?
But the harassment's been going on for months.
Okay. Why haven't you contacted somebody at the school about that?
I didn't know where to contact them. I asked my mom about it. She was like, you could probably call the school, but I just never had time to because it was always so early.
Lying. That's BS.
Okay. All right. So what's going to happen now is based on witness statements and everything, you are going to go to jail for aggravated battery with motor vehicle. Okay?
Can I at least put my phone in my...
Yep, we'll let your mom come out and get all that stuff. Is there anything you want to go to jail with you?
My phone?
You want your phone to go?
Which one is that? The green one or the one on the hood?
It's the one on the hood. But why am I going to jail?
Thank you. They're too late.
Can I lock it to call her dad? So
I'm going to
Why am I going to jail? Maybe because you hit someone with your automobile.
let your mom know. We come over here.
why am I going to jail?
Told you, aggravated battery with motor vehicle.
But I didn't hit her with my car.
That's not what all the witnesses say, and your statement does not match what our independent witness said.
What did the witness say?
The witness said you drove up and you were in the crosswalk.
I wasn't in the... Can you at least ring the doorbell and tell my mom?
We will. What's your mom's name?
Her name is Concha.
What was that?
Concha. What?
Contra.
Now I gotta start all over in a freaking job over bullshit. I didn't even hit her. So I don't like white people. Like, it's just, it makes no sense.
Are you serious, sir? So her word means nothing?
Well, I have the victim's statement. I have an independent witness that told me what they
was the
saw.
crossing guard trying to stop her for if you just...
I have no idea. It doesn't matter. Crossing guard is a pedestrian in the crosswalk. Pedestrians have the right of way in the state of Florida while in the crosswalk.
It's always the white person over the black person. It's annoying. Been living here since 2019. I ain't never caused no issues with nobody.
Can I come out?
Absolutely. If you want to talk to you, you can.
Lady been harassing me for months.
You can speak through the window.
The lady's been harassing me for months.
Well, and you should have been done called the police and you should have been done reported it. Because now it's escalated to this. And what you saying doesn't even seem to matter. You better hope that the
Yeah,
judge...
because I'm black. I know that.
Okay, well, you can say all of that in front of the judge.
I know, I'm not talking to nobody else.
Hopefully, you will be able to see a judge in the morning. They will give you a bond. But now you're going to have to spend the night in jail.
You'll probably have to call my job.
I need the information to the job. And now, they
It's in my car.
They don't
My
even
car
need to
is-
know that
my
because
car-
you're going to get fired because now you're going to have a record.
No, everybody who works there been arrested. Some people has a record there. My job doesn't care about all of that. You just have to tell them that I'm in jail.
So what's the information to
It's
the job?
in my car.
information. I don't know.
The car is unlocked. Did he take my phone? I don't know.
She said she don't have the phone.
I got it.
Oh, he got it.
They'll allow her to go to the phone and pull and write down phone numbers, and then she can make her phone calls. Not off her cell phone, but she'll be able to get phone numbers to make phone calls.
Tell them it was a family emergency and I'm unable
All right,
to
love you.
contact. Love you too.
So that happened. She was charged with aggravated battery with a motor vehicle. She'd plead no contest to the reduced charge of reckless driving. The court would sentence her to 6 months probation and order her to complete an advanced driver improvement course.
Yeah, I mean, no accountability for your actions. I mean, whatever, you know. Blame everybody else. It's everybody else's fault. Come on, man. You don't have control over your emotions. That's why that happened. And that's as simple as that. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.